Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to find friends from your contact list on TikTok. So you must go to your TikTok and at the bottom of your screen you have an option that says friends. There on top of your screen to the left you're going to find the option to add some friends, and you can sync your mobile contacts, your Facebook friends, to the suggestions here on TikTok. So what you must do is tap in Find next to your contacts, open the settings. So you must go into the app permissions, and here I have denied my contact, so you must click on it and allow TikTok to be synchronized with your contacts. In that way, when you open your TikTok again, you're gonna find your mobile contacts in that specific list. Okay, remember friends, add contacts, and there you're gonna find your mobile contacts.